Sound panel test.
Ready, go.
Taylor Kaye is a radio and voice personality. Now, she does a lot of work from home in a booth in her basement, but it's less than professional. So I'm coming over to see if we can build her a real recording studio and take this to the next level.
Welcome to my studio with patch holes everywhere.
Okay. You need a better space than this.
I do.
And you need some sound dampening. Like, it needs to be pro.
That's why you're here.
This is why I'm here. So do you have a space that we can turn into a studio?
Yes.
Where?
Upstairs.
Taylor Kaye needs a new studio.
Okay, let's do it.
Let's go clear out the room.
This is where I want my studio.
Okay. How much downtime do we have to be able to dismantle what's downstairs to move it upstairs?
A day. I've put my clients on hold till tonight.
So you want me to build a sound studio in a day?
In a day. Can you do it?
I think so. I think we can do this. Got to hang a door. There's a lot of things we got to do. We got to close off the space. We got to do a lot of sound dampening, and we got to clear this place out. You lift the weights, and I'm on the ball.
All right, go. Let's go.
Perfect. Key with the door, solid core door, which adds to the sound dampening in the room. But now, this can be used as a studio, and you can close the door. Taylor.
Yes.
Here is my plan.
Yes.
We are going to make sound panels, which is meant to absorb sound and deflect sound. We start with our fabric, put it upside down, because the front is actually on the bottom there.
Yep.
Then we're gonna use our Rockwool Comfort Board 80. We're gonna put that in place there. And then I'm gonna put a piece of plywood the same size. This is just 1/4-inch plywood.
Perfect.
We're going to upholster the whole thing, right? Those will go in there. We're gonna staple this, but flip it over, you're gonna see what it looks like. Boom, there's your sound panel, right? How's it look?
It looks amazing.
Sound panel test.
Ready, go.
Okay, tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take these, I'm gonna start installing them upstairs. You couldn't hear me yelling up there for you?
No, I'm like
Must
working.
because of all the sound dampening in the new studio. You ready to see it?
Yes, I want to move everything up. Okay.
Let's go. I already moved some stuff up there.
Oh, did you? Okay, good. Should I close my eyes and then open it?
I
Okay.
think it's good if you
I'm gonna
close
do
your eyes
this.
a little
Okay, okay.
Now open them.
Oh my God. This is so amazing.
Isn't that great? How about shut the door? Get in
Shut
there.
the door. I want to slam it. Can't hear anything.
Come on, just feel it.
Woo!
Just feel it.
This is awesome.
Isn't this great?
Oh my gosh, this is amazing. I'm not gonna cry, but I might cry later. This is so, oh my gosh, look at the light. This is amazing. This is awesome. And I didn't know, when we were making them, I didn't know you put them up there.
First things first, we put on a door. A solid core door, so
Yeah.
that's got sound dampening built in. We painted all the walls. We did some patchwork. We put in the new desk here. We built all these sound panels, which with your help, of course.
I think I did this one, yeah. I
think,
did that. I did a couple.
I did that one there.
I love the colors because it's inspirational. It's
far as I'm
amazing.
concerned.
I gotta give you a hug. Hugging out, oh my God. The room is amazing. The sound dampening, Scott got me out of the basement, and now there is a purpose for that room, and we did it in a day. Scott's amazing. So, 2 kids. When are you gonna join the 3 club? I've got 3 girls. Come on. Have we not had this discussion before, maybe?
This
No?
interview is over.